You hear it all the time. Sell to the rich. But what does that actually mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. Because yeah, it's about targeting people with money, but the how is where everyone screws this up. See, let's take this bottle for example, okay? It's my wife's. It has a pink top. I really don't care. I've been drinking out of it anyway. Now, by itself, this thing is maybe worth $5 online. But if I throw this bottle in the hands of a woman at the gym, suddenly it's not just a bottle anymore. It's a fitness accessory. Now I could charge $35 for it. Same bottle, 7 times the value, just by changing the way it's presented. That's the game. The picture you present creates the perceived value. That's why you see big brands using celebrities. They don't even need to pitch the product. They just show the celeb using it and your brain kind of does the rest. You start thinking, well, if they use it, maybe I should too. Now, obviously, we don't have celebrity budgets, but we can frame our products in the way that it speaks to the person we're trying to sell it to. And that's how you're going to increase the value and your sales. Now, to go a step further, you don't just throw that water bottle up and hope for the best. You can also run ads to aim those to the right people. See, Facebook lets you target the top 5 to 10% of household incomes. Literally, just a couple check boxes when you set up your campaign. That's it. That means you're not showing your product to just everybody now. You're showing your product to somebody that won't bat an eye at spending $35 on a water bottle. And if you dial even further and you start targeting gym goers, athletes, or people that just want to look like they're working out, then you're getting it in the hands of the person that actually wants it. The more dialed in that ad is, the more money you'll make, because now they start envisioning that product and it turns their want into a need. Now, even though we don't have celebrity budgets when we're first starting out, if you can get it in the hands of an influencer, you can either maybe work out some sort of deal or just ship products and hope that they use it. But if they do, now your product suddenly feels exclusive. See, people trust who they follow. So when an influencer shows off your product, your brand gets instant credibility, and that is huge. But here's where it really gets interesting. And this is going to change everything. See, if you can solve a pain point, you can charge whatever the hell you want. Take yoga pants, for example. Years ago, none of them had pockets, right? Then someone decided to add a little tiny pocket and boom, instant multi-million-dollar business. Why? Because women needed a spot for their phone or their keys. Small problem, massive payoff. And the bigger the problem you could solve, the more money you'll make. Now, I know if you're selling print on demand, you can't just invent a new product. You're kind of stuck with what the production partner offers, but you can frame it differently. Let's say you're selling a tote bag, for example. If you take a plain picture, it's just a cheap tote bag, kind of like the bottle. But if you put that tote bag in a beach setting, then suddenly it's not a bag anymore. It's made for vacation. Now the customer is imagining themselves on a trip. They're thinking about filling that tote bag with maybe sunscreen, a towel, and snacks for the kids. And even if they're not going to go on vacation for months or years or even at all, you've already planted the thought, I'll need this when I do. See, that's selling through psychology, and that allows you the ability to add dollars to your product, and your sales will increase because of it. So the formula is simple. Just remember, luxurious photos, pain point solutions, and ads that target to people who can actually afford your stuff. Put those together and you'll dominate any market you step into. Now, if you want to learn more about how to position your products and charge even more money, then join my course. It's literally $1 a month, $1. And people inside are already hitting 6 figures in months, not years. So I hope to see you there because you deserve to be a millionaire. So let me guide you. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.